What's up, everybody? Rob here. You are watching yourself a brand new series here on ThreadBanger, 5-Minute Craps. The show that takes a look at the YouTube juggernaut of bullshit 5-minute crafts and expose them for the lying sacks of shit that they are. Now, I've personally watched almost every single 5-minute craft video there is, which, you know, between you and me is really only about like 4 or 5 hours of actual content. They just repackage it into thousands of fucking videos and into a plethora of ridiculous channels. 5-minute crafts for teens, 5-minute crafts for kids, 5-minute crafts for families, 5-minute crafts for, and this sexist one, girly, 5-minute crafts for men, which obviously is my favorite 5-minute crafts, mainly for the tampon, high heels, and bra hacks, but even more so for the thumbnails. Hello! However, these first few projects that we're gonna try today are probably some of the most ridiculous. Before we get into all that, however, we gotta check in with the crapometer to see just how fucking stupid today's projects are gonna get. Crapometer, what's it looking like this week? What's the forecast?
Well, it's not looking that good, or smelling that good.
Wow, that looks like a storm.
Good luck.
You better get your fucking galoshes, because we're getting started around here. Alright, now I want to take a look at this first project together. This one comes from a video called 20 Cool DIY Ideas for Fashion Mongers. No, not even mongers, for fashion monger. Does that even make sense? I don't know. I'm gonna give it to project number 1 because it is the reason why I started this show. Look at that fashion monger, walking around with a goddamn gas can. Well, we gotta try it. We're gonna watch the video together. So they got the gas can here, and then they show that you're going to be cutting this with a box cutter. What they did was kind of just like a C shape along the side. There we go. Okay, all right, getting it going. Woo! Not very easy. That sucks. Holy shit. Ah! Are you nervous? I'm nervous. Fucking playing around with this fucking thing. Do not cut towards you, even though you're watching me do it. But I am a experienced unprofessional here, so boom. Look at that. That's exactly like the fucking video. I got my zipper here. Bend this back somehow. Yes. I don't fucking know, you guys. I don't think this is gonna work, but oh, ah! Goddamn hot glue gun bullshit. This is where we're running into a little bit of an issue here. These square corners, zippers don't work around squares. They don't show you what it looks like around the corners because they just fucking zip through the video so fast, but this isn't gonna look that fucking great. I don't know how they expect me to do this, but they don't expect you to do it. That's the fucking thing. Who makes a gasoline backpack? That's some fucking terrorist shit. Oh, wait, the fucking zipper's all fucked up now. Oh, because the zipper fucking had to go around these crazy corners, now the zipper is like not even functioning properly. It's like, shit. Cool. Alright, well, shit. That didn't work. What the fuck? How does that even happen? It doesn't close really or open. Oh, and the glue doesn't even stick. Come on. This is a storm. Let me just take a couple seconds. Let me try to put the straps on and we'll see what we got. Here we go. Is that it? What else is next? Let's look at the video. Oh, hold on. Wait. Back up. Rewind. Did you see that? That's not the same goddamn gas can. Oh, that's some bullshit. Let me show you these two gas cans side by side. This is the original cut and zipper that was put in gas can number 1. This, obviously, is a whole nother zipper and a whole nother fucking thing, which is now zipping around the whole fucking container. 2 totally different gas cans. That's some shady shit. This is why the show needs to exist. Here, this is what it looks like. Boom. Oh, there you go, huh? Yeah. Even if this did turn out, it still looks fucking so stupid. Who would wear that? The last shot is her wearing it in the studio and just walking away. She's not fucking wearing this in public. I say we go out in public and see how it looks. Oh, never mind. You know, we might as well just go on to the next project. We'll take this outside later on. Moving on to project number 2. I feel like on a daily, constant basis, I am dealing with this problem, and that is cat hair. And it's now becoming the summertime. They're shedding little fucking fur balls floating around the house. So I'm hoping that this next little 5-minute craft does the trick. For this one, they're taking a rubber cleaning glove and adding some hot glue dots. They show petting the cat here, and apparently it gets all this fur off, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So I did the same thing over on my end with an extra cleaning glove and a hot glue gun. Boom! The cat defurring glove is finished. Now we just need a cat to defer. I'll be right back with the cat. Now in the video they have a black cat, which I was also able to procure. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay, here we go. And now, you stroke the pussy. It looks like the cat is enjoying this process. This is the amount of hair that is coming off of here, which is absolutely nothing. What is coming off of the cat are these little fucking glue dots. These aren't staying on worth a shit. You know, looking at the video, it looks like there's all sorts of hair coming off of this thing. There's like brown hair, white hair, black hair. I don't know whether or not they're just using this on a cat, but maybe like if I go in for like the stomach area, then you get the underbelly of the cat. Oh. Woo. All right. Well, that didn't go according to plan. Neither did this glove. Taking it off, you can't take it off without all of these things coming off. So it's a one-time use kind of deal. Project number 2, not so much of a success. All right, now for project number 3, I'm hoping that this one's gonna work because I'm actually a little bit hungry. I don't know if you know or not, but apparently you can pop popcorn using a flat iron. This project comes from a video titled 25 Crazy Useful Hacks You'd Wish You've Known Sooner? What? Hold on, that can't be right. Are those even f***ing proper contractions? Every single one of these f***ing titles of these videos sound like the subjects in my spam folder. I gotta get myself a flat iron. I know that Corinne has one upstairs somewhere in a drawer. Flat iron, flat iron, flat iron. No, no, no. Bingo.
What are you doing with that?
Flat ironing?
What are you flat ironing? It better only be your hair.
Something like that. All right, we are pumping this thing up to the max, to 30. We got ourselves some Pop at Home kernels. It's very hot. I don't even know how I'm supposed to put this on here. Nope. Nope. All right, you gotta be real quick with this. Ah, god damn it! Okay, I got one. Boom, we got one. Jesus Christ, we don't anymore. Hold on, I'm gonna set this down. Okay, we got it. We got it now. What the shit? It just like pops out of there. All right, you see it? We got it. Lightly pressed down, not too much. There we go. All right, you see? Son of a bitch. Oh God, please pop. Come on. Here we go. You fucking ready for this? Yeah! Fuck yeah! Did you see that? Slow-mo that shit. All that for this fucking piece of popcorn. It works. That's amazing. Huh? It tastes like popcorn, cause it is popcorn. Holy shit. I guess now we gotta do that like another 100 times, 200 times, 300 times, I don't know. We gotta fill up a bowl. This is the one. We are just waiting for it. Oh shit. Oh shit, here it is, here it is. Yeah, buddy! God damn! So here's my concern. It took me nearly 45 seconds to pop each one of these, which means that popping an entire bowl of this flat, weird popcorn is gonna take you at least an hour, maybe 2. However, let's fast forward to the next shot where they show you a flat iron dropping a piece of plain white popcorn on top of an entirely freshly popped buttery bowl of popcorn where all of the popped pieces are particularly round. None of those are fucking flat. Yeah, you fucking popped an entire fucking bowl of popcorn like this. Oh yeah, here. That's what I did too. You know what I mean? Boom. Here it is. Look at this fucking fantastic bowl of fucking popcorn. Whoa. Oh, these fucking videos are so stupid. Moving on to our next project, which also coincidentally involves popcorn. I've been seeing this hack since the beginning of the internet. I thought it was the stupidest thing I'd ever seen, but then I watched it and saw it in a 5-minute CRAPS video and said, holy shit, this is catching on. Why isn't everybody using their hoodie as a popcorn bowl, you know? And so I got myself a little, like a hoodie right here. I'm just gonna try it myself. If you don't have a bowl, you know, and you don't have a bag, it makes a lot of fucking sense. Wait, that's the fucking, oh god damn it! The same way it was! This way? Can you only do it one way? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, well, that's fucking smart. Huh, look at that. It's like a little fucking trough. This is actually useful for a bunch of shit. Salads, a bowl of cereal. I don't know why I wouldn't just eat it out of the bag. Looks like I'm carrying around a little baby. Wow, mildly convenient. It doesn't hurt that the popcorn is really buttery and salty. Yeah, this fucking thing is awesome. Minus the fact that the grease is soaking through, and it'll probably be full of crumbs. Pretty fucking solid hack. Well, I don't know about you, but this popcorn is making me thirsty. This next hack, you're gonna eat this one up or drink this one up. I don't know. Stop me if you've seen this one before. The hidden burrito beer. Turn it around. The ultimate alcoholic hack where you take your bottle of booze and you wrap it up in a burrito. Genius! This is gonna blow your fucking mind wide open. All right, so lay down 2 tortillas, just on top of one another. Throw your romaine lettuce on there. And now you take your alcoholic beverage and you just place it right in the middle. You wrap that up, and there you have it. Look at me, I got a burrito the size of my fucking arm, no big deal. Everyone's walking around the street with a burrito these days. It's the fucking 90s. Hold on, I would go one step further. Get some aluminum foil, wrap that shit up on the bottom. Oh, that's the way to do it. That's authentic. Oh yeah, now that's legit. I'm gonna take this out on the street, see what the people think. I don't think that they go outside in the actual video. If you take a look, this is some studio shit. There's some trees behind her that some PA's wiggling around like a blanket, and there's AstroTurf. This bitch isn't outside. I'm gonna give this a go in the real world. We'll see how it really goes down. Oh, you know what? I should totally bring the backpack. There we go. Let's see, I could throw some popcorn in there. I'll get my glove. Look at this. Huh? All right, we're taking it to the streets. All right, so we're here at the just a local park, where I figured I'd take some of these newly, freshly DIY'd items and kind of show them off. The park is crowded. People are taking no notice to my burrito, my beer-rito, or the 5-gallon pack of gasoline that I have strapped to my back. This is really working out. Turning out aces. This is delicious. This is not a 5-minute crap. This is a real good time. And you're at the park. Maybe you worked up an appetite and you're a little hungry. Don't you worry. I brought some popcorn. Boom. Oh man, I forgot the bowl. God. Oh, perfect. Boom. Oh my God, look at that. What a hack. Not me. The popcorn and the hoodie. Well, that's really about it. That's all I got for you this time around on the first inaugural episode of 5-Minute Craps. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for hanging out. If you see any other 5-Minute Craps out there that you would like me to try, I know, I'm eating with my mouth full. Let me know about it down in the comments below. And you know what? While you are down there, check out that join button. That's new. You click that to become a ThreadBanger member. $2.99 a month. You get all of the episodes uncensored. You get behind the scenes. You get extras. A whole bunch of stuff. Be sure that you check it out. If you want to see more of this show, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you around here next time.
911, state your emergency.
Hey, I'm at the Asheville Park, and there's a guy sitting on the bench, drinking a burrito, with a gas can.
Did you say drinking a burrito?
Yes, drinking a burrito. There's several children at the park, and he's been kind of looking at them, kind of creepy. I just thought somebody should know, see something, say something.
We'll have a unit sent over right away.
All right, thanks. Bye.